Here's how to make your very own PCB in a beginner-friendly tutorial within 2 minutes. Your first step would be building your idea on a breadboard. In my case, I'm building a simple circuit that turns an LED on when a button is pressed and off otherwise. Your second step would be converting the circuit on the breadboard into a schematic using softwares like EasyEDA, KiCad, and more. Personally, I like using EasyEDA since it's beginner-friendly and free. Once on EasyEDA, click Design Online, STD Edition, then create a new project. From here, change your schematic from STD mode to Sim mode and then start building. You can find all your components in the common library, and if not there, in the user contributed section of the Spice library. Your schematic should simulate similarly to the circuit you have built on your breadboard, and be sure to do this in simulation mode on EasyEDA as it will not work in standard mode. Once you have created your schematic, it's time to convert this into a PCB. You would first create a new schematic, then save your work by clicking Ctrl S or Command S if you are on Mac. You would then change their respective titles, one for simulation mode and the other for standard mode. You would then change from simulation mode to standard mode here from the top left. You would now copy and paste the simulation mode schematic into the standard mode schematic. You would next ensure all footprints are correct on the standard mode schematic and match your original circuit. If there are any red highlights, your footprints are not correct. After all footprints are complete, your final step would be to convert the schematic into a PCB. Be sure to continuously save your work. After placing all of the components as you wish inside of the PCB, it's time to connect them. You can either connect these components on the top layer or bottom layer. I suggest using both layers to make the PCB organized. Once you are done all of this, you can even add custom designs using the top or bottom silk layers. Ensure there are no errors in your PCB by refreshing everything in the design manager. If everything passes, then congrats as your first PCB is complete. Stay tuned for an upcoming video where I'll walk you step by step through how I order similar PCBs from PCBWay. They're a sponsor of the channel, they produce really high quality boards, and they make the whole manufacturing process super accessible, especially if you're just getting started.